What is MINT?
MINT is an interdisciplinary program that has been designed to provide answers to a new generation of professionals in international affairs and in development affairs.
MINT is preparing future generations of policymakers and leaders to face the global challenges of our world today.
They have to be competent, they have to be creative, they have to link and connect complex issues in a very original and new way. The MINT program is organized in 4 parts.
Let's dive into them together. First, the program foundations provide core courses where students come all together to understand the foundations of the global challenges.
This is where you get to know the specialization you will become an expert in, but this is also where you get to study methods, methodologies in a very interdisciplinary way.
Second are the specializations.
We do have 7 of them.
The 7 specializations offered by MINT are a wide range of issues of interdisciplinary nature.
Themes such as conflict, peace and security, environment, human rights and humanitarianism, sustainable trade and finance, migration and mobilities, gender, race and diversity, global health. This is exactly what we do study here at the Graduate Institute.
Additionally, the transversal themes allow students to get a sense of the larger range of these issues from a global perspective.
So you can really specialize in the specialization that you picked up, but at the same time, we invite you to look for more and travel beyond your specialization so that you can learn things that will allow you precisely to connect themes and issues in original ways. The third part of the MINT program are the ARPs, Applied Research Projects. This is exactly where and when research meets policy.
These 9-month-long research projects bring students together in small groups working for partner organizations on issues of policy and practical importance.
From private banks to international organizations, from the public sector to the private sector, from international organizations and the UN and their agencies to NGOs.
The ARPs offer students a unique opportunity to work together with their peers to find answers to some of the key practical and policy challenges of our days. Through the ARPs, students get to reinforce their professional skills and to learn how to communicate with policy audiences about the findings of their applied research.
So this is really important. This is important because this is the moment when students start building their networks.
Through our professional skills workshops, students get to study with some of the leading experts in the field of project management, design thinking, leadership, and research design. These workshops will also be very helpful for students as they move on in their careers beyond their MINT degree. Once graduating from MINT, our students are equipped to deal with the questions and concerns facing this world today. They have the agility, they have the specific knowledge that can be generally applied to work in a wide range of sectors across the international development and relations field.
Join us. The MINT program is going to be challenging, it's going to be fun, it's going to be a new experience. You will meet students coming from all over the world. Our objective is really to provide you with the necessary tools that are going to be useful, whatever is the professional career that you envisage.